Hello students, so I Nidhi Ahuja welcome you all on part 2 of mensuration. In previous part I have explained you the total surface area, curved surface area. In this I am going to explain you volume. So what is the volume? Dear children, you have done in 2D shapes like rectangle, square, circle. You have done area of rectangle is L into B. Area means the space enclosed inside the boundary. And here we used to write down side into side. Now the volume, we use volume for 2D, 3D shapes. Volume means the space enclosed in a three-dimensional figures like cube, cuboid, like your room, right? So how to find out the volume means how to find out the space enclosed by a 3D shape or 3D box like cube or cuboid or cylinder will have three dimension, that is why we call it three dimensional. So here to find out the volume of cube and cuboid, so here you know that cube is just formed out of a square. So here three dimensions means there will be three edges or sides, you can say. So volume of a cube is side into side into side, or we can write down side cube, means we are multiplying it thrice. Now here volume of a cuboid, L into B into H, means length, breadth and height. We know it is made out of a rectangle. Length and breadth are different, even height, because we are talking about three-dimensional shapes, right? So I hope you understood the concept. Now let's do some questions, some important question which I am going to discuss with you. So let's get ready. Here the question says it has given you the measure of the side of a cube and they are asking you to find out the volume. Children, how to do? First you should write down what is given to us, right? What is given? Side is given, and what you are going to find out, that is volume. First do remember to mention the formula, that is side cube. So what do you have to do? 8 multiply 8 multiply 8. So unit will be, always remember, like unit of perimeter is single unit and area is square unit, and for cube it is cubic unit. So cube of 8 is 512 centimeter cube. This is our answer, volume of a cube. This is a simple question. Now one more question let us discuss. Here they are asking you again to find out the volume, but what they have given? They have given us TSA. Children, I have already discussed this topic in my previous video, and even the formulas I have discussed in a short, which for that I'll give you the link in the description box, right? So let us solve this. Now again, how you're going to solve? First you'll write down what is given to us. So they have given us TSA, right? Now you know how you're going to find out the volume. For volume you need to have a side. So with the help of TSA, first we are going to find out the side. So what is the formula of TSA of a cube? That is 6 side square, and which is given to us here 486. Now let us find out here. Side square remains here. Sis go this side and it is going to divide. So what you will get here? You will get 6 8s are 48 and 1. So here we will get 81. It's not the side. So you have to find out the side. To find out the side, we need to find out its square root. So answer is 9 centimeter. Not answer, we'll say side. Now we have taken out the side. It's simple to find out the volume. We'll apply this formula, that is 9. Cube of 9 is 729. But remember, do mention the formula first. So volume is side cube, and cube of 9, I think everybody knows, that is 729, and unit centimeter cube. I hope you understood this question. Now let us discuss one more question on cuboid. Now children, let's discuss one question on cuboid. Here they have given you the length, breadth and height. Children, one thing which you should be very careful about is first check the units given to you, right? They all should be in the same unit. If they are not, first convert them in same unit and then apply the formula, right? So here what is given to us? Length, breadth and height. So we'll write down here, we have to find out the volume. So what is the volume of a cuboid? That is length, breadth and height, means you have to multiply all three. So here 22 multiply by 12, multiply by 7.5 and centimeter cube, because we know the volume, the unit of cube volume is cubic unit. So 22 into 12 is 264, multiply by 7.5, or you can remove the decimal, it is up to you, however you feel comfortable. And when you multiply, you will get here 19800, and after that we put decimal. So the answer is 1980 centimeter cube. This is how you find out the volume of a cuboid, right? Now let's discuss some more questions. Now let us discuss this question. In this question, they are asking you how many bricks of each size, length, breadth, height is given, will be required to build a wall of 8 meter long, 5.4 meter high and 33 centimeter thick. So you have to find out the number of bricks to make this wall. So what are you going to do here? Children, always remember, first mention the dimensions of a, like I am mentioning here, dimensions of brick, that is 25 centimeter, 13.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Here we'll write down dimensions of a wall. What are the dimensions given here? 8 meter, 5.4 meter and 33 centimeter. Why I am asking you to mention the dimensions? Because when you write, you will come to know that they are in different units. So we have to convert them into same unit. So you have to find out number of bricks, right? To find out the number of bricks, you need to find out the volume here, right? So you have to write down the both the formulas. Formulas are very important to mention here. Volume of a wall, and we can easily see that different dimensions are given, means it is a cuboid. And volume of a brick, right? So volume of wall is L into B into H, that is the same volume here, right? Same formula. So let us put the values. Volume of a wall is 8 meter. So it is better to convert into centimeters, right? So 8 meter means 800 centimeter here. Then 5.4 meter means 540 centimeter, and it is already in centimeter, right? Next is the volume of brick, 25 centimeter, 13.5. So I'll put 10 over here. We'll mention the unit later on. 13 and here 10. That decimal goes up and then multiply by 6. So just cancel it over here. No need to separately find out the volume and then divide. It will take so much of time. So let us cancel over here. Here we can cancel like 5 2s are 10. Here 5 5s are. Now again it will be cancelled here. 5 1s are here. 6 are and 0. Again 5. We can cancel with the table of 5 here. 5 2s are 10. 7s are 35. Here 5 3s are 15 and 2s are 10, right? Here we can cancel it with 6, 1s are and 6, 9s are. Now what we are left with? Again we can cancel here with 3, 3 9s are, 3 11s are. Okay. So what we are left with, that is 32 multiplied by 90. 90 can also be cancelled by this. So instead of 90, I'll write down 10 over here. Then what we are left with? 11, then 2. And nothing here in the denominator, everything is being cancelled. So just multiply and get the answer. Here it will be 32 into 2 is 64. 64 into 11 is 64 multiplied by 11 and then 10. So here when you multiply, it will be 704 and 0. 7040. Now children, let us discuss one more question, that is we'll discuss with cylinder. And I have taken this question. Why I have taken? Because here you have to convert into liter. Many students have a confusion how to convert meter cube to liter and centimeter cube to liter. So this I am going to explain here. And let us discuss the formula of cylinder also, how to find out the volume of a cylinder. So here in this question, what they have given us radius and height. So let us write down here What is the radius given? 1.5 meter and height is given 10.5 meter. Children, and this is given in meter and you have to convert into liters. Means when you find out the volume, obviously it will come into meter cube. So whenever you are converting meter cube to liter, you have to multiply by 1000, and when you are converting centimeter cube to liter, then you have to divide by 1000, right? So let us discuss here. So volume of a cylinder, what is the formula? That is pi r square h. So pi 22 by 7 multiply by radius, that is 1.5 multiply 1.5, and height is 10.5. When you solve it, you multiply it, you'll get here 74.25 meter cube. And as they are asking you, you have to find out the quantity of milk in liters. So here you have to convert into liters. In liters, what do you have to do? You have to just multiply 74.25 by 1000. So here two, after decimal there are 2 digits, that will be removed. So answer is 74250 liters. So always remember, I am writing here meter cube to liter. Remember, multiply by 1000, and centimeter cube to liter you have to divide by 1000. That is how, this is just for the explanation what you have to do, right? So remember this. This is how we find out the volume of a cylinder. I hope you understood all the questions very well. Cube, cuboid and cylinder I have discussed. So take care and keep revising. Bye bye.